Hello friends, hope you are all doing good. The summer has arrived. It's really very hot in Mumbai. So in summer we all like to avoid eating spicy and hot food. Even the pickles are kept away. I like to eat mild pickles with parathas, something sweet like chunda. So today here I have some cherry tomatoes which I bought for my salad, but I'm not using them as they have lost their crunchiness. So I thought of making sweet tomato pickle with these. Meetha Tamatar ka achar. So let's make that, and I'm today using the pressure cooker method, which is really very fast. In 2 minutes the pickle is ready. So let's proceed. Ingredients for sweet tomato pickle. You can check out the quantities here in the list. Place the pressure cooker on the gas and add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add the whole spices first. Add bay leaf, cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 4 green cardamoms. Saute them a bit until you get a nice aroma. Now we are going to add the other spices mentioned in the list. The onion seeds, Kummel seeds and the broken red chillies. Give them a stir. Now reduce the flame and add the organic jaggery powder. Pour the apple cider vinegar on it. You will see it starts to bubble. Add the cherry tomatoes. Salt to balance the taste. Mix it well and simmer until the jaggery melts. After about a minute, mash the tomatoes a bit. Now cover the lid. Close the pressure cooker and cook for 1 whistle on high flame. Then reduce the gas and cook further for 4 to 5 whistles. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes. Let the cooker cool it on its own. When the pressure is released, open the cooker. The pickle is almost done, but the syrup needs to be thickened a bit. Let us simmer it for a minute. Keep stirring with the spatula so that you will know the consistency. It should be 1 string consistency. Then the pickle is ready. It actually thickens a bit also when we keep it in the pressure cooker after cooling. So close the gas accordingly. I think it's almost done. Switch off the gas and allow the pickle to cool well. Now after about 10 minutes or so, the pickle has really cooled well and even thickened a bit. The red color you see is because of the jaggery. If you like it light colored, you can use sugar instead of jaggery. Now take a clean, sterilized dry jar and transfer the pickle into it. You can enjoy this pickle with koki, parathas. And here we go. It's done. So friends, this was a very quick and easy recipe of making sweet tomato pickle. Do make it at home, and if you want, you can even replace the jaggery with sugar, but the quantity has to be reduced as the organic jaggery is not really very sweet. So make the pickle and share the feedback with me. Thank you.